Rais William Samoei Ruto munini wa Rigathi Gachagua na atongoria bangi kathumba ni bagwatanirite kirimaromba ja MUTHIA ja MUTUTIGI. Kamanda wa jeshi nwe General Francis Omondi OGOLLA akiare Rais Ruto otau mbere na akathite MUTUTIGI akiuga na ari muntu ure irutanirite ngugini yawe, akiongera na kuga Kenya na mono rwangi ruokaria ni rutaukiribu katha mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga kinyawe na ukari MAMBURA jajazira jetete na mbere kienine ke ulinzi muchine munene jona Nairobi. OGOLLA akanogokua ntuku ya RUUJU. Endwa antubanja atongeria bagi siasa maabisa ba jeshi na Kenya ni batrimene kienine ke ulinzi sports center kire MAMBURA jagute ororari munene wa jeshi MUTUTIGI General Francis OGOLLA.
We accept the will of God.
Narua mitaratara na mibango ya ntuku ikioneka gutongerwa ni maabisa ba jeshi kuringana na mawatho na withire bwa kunogokia muntu wa nkathija ya MUTUTIGI ura wakwire bari na bangi kienda kumania na mutino jwa ndege jurajo akarikire ntere chia Elgeyo Marakwet.
General OGOLLA represents the best of what Kenya has to offer.
We have come on a very tragic occasion to say farewell to one of the most illustrious sons of this country.
If there was a description of humility, an epitome of humility, then the general who has fallen is indeed a symbol of humility.
Aria kiri MAMBURA jajani bajukitie kanya kuonania kithikiro kiao kumana na giku kia MUTUTIGI. Baba ingi bakijukia kanya gutariria ura bakamurika na ari muntu wa gutuika ngerekana kiri antu baba ingi.
He understood that his position was temporary and it would always end. Leading up to his death, he almost knew that his time was up, despite having very many plans for the military and for his family. But he spoke in a certain tone that would suggest that, my son, I won't always be here, and you will need to take care of my wife and my other children, which I am more than ready to do, and it will not be a problem.
General OGOLLA, despite being a very tough general and commander, who is celebrated for his various accomplishments, was also a very humorous man. He was full of very good jokes, and many a time in tense situations, he would make everybody feel comfortable.
He was a very decisive commander and leader. He was very fair, firm but very fair when he dealt with situations.
Kiri MAMBURA jaja Rais Ruto na ajukitie kanya kuithura ura gwakaria akija kumuthura ta munene wa jeshi.
I asked General OGOLLA for a meeting, and I had a one-on-one, man-to-man, come to Jesus meeting with General OGOLLA. And when we concluded that meeting, General OGOLLA told me the following: Mr. President, I have no defense. I will not try to defend myself. It was wrong what happened. And you have three choices. Either send me to court-martial, or have me retired, or forgive me.
Na wagi kirwa wira ne atekinya kethira General OGOLLA na aratutigire KDF igitana mbere gutigira kuri na ukaria bwa kung'ana nthigurune ya Kenya.
My duty is to assure you that the Kenya Defence Forces remains strong, despite the loss. We are continuing with our duties of securing our country, just like the general would have wanted us.
And to the Kenya Defense Forces, let us uphold the unity and the camaraderie he championed through his motto, one force, one mission. Though he may be gone, his spirit lives in the hearts of all of us who knew him. His legacy will endure as a beacon of hope for our nation.
Muthiene niguo kari na MAMBURA ja 24 gun salute gutia MUTUTIGI na wonania bo mwanya bo ndege kiri kionaniria kia uria General OGOLLA aratutigire. General Francis OGOLLA akano gukwa RUUJU kwa wenja ntere cha Siaya no mwathanite na mbere kumwika aria ekaga barendete.
Rest in peace, General OGOLLA. Your service will never be forgotten, and your sacrifice will always be remembered.